Welcome to the Choice Test Kitchen. My name's Fiona and I am going to guide you through the pros and cons of each type of cooktop.
We first look at how easy each cooktop is to clean. Gas cooktops have many parts that can be fiddly to clean and need to be removed. Cast iron trivets can be bulky and difficult to clean in a domestic sink. Stainless steel surfaces may require extra attention as they can tarnish over time. When it comes to cleaning ceramic cooktops, they have mostly smooth surfaces. However, spills can bake on the surface, requiring extra effort to remove. Control knobs can be removed for cleaning spills around the controls. When it comes to induction cooktops, they have a continuous surface with few to no residue traps, so they are easy to clean. We also compare the efficiency of each cooktop. To do that, we conduct a boil time test across all the cooktops, filling a pot with 1 litre of water and measuring how long they take to reach boil temperature. Our results show that in this test, induction cooktops to be the most efficient, followed by gas, then ceramic. Safety is something to consider when choosing a cooktop. All cooktops require certain safety features, but we find induction to be safer than ceramic and gas, as they have many safety features such as safety sensors that monitor temperature, auto switch off, safety cutout, child safety locks, and pan detection. We are not saying that gas and ceramic are unsafe to use. They do have useful safety features. However, if safety is a concern for you, then we recommend you seriously consider induction for your kitchen.
Hopefully this information will give you the knowledge you need to make the right decision when choosing a cooktop. For more information, go to choice.com.au.